Unlike the front of the house, which looks pretty good after all these years, it's a different story out back. You can see that there have been a number of additions over the years, and there's been real no rhyme or reason to them. Bump outs here and there. I mean, this roof line right here, pitched in two directions with a ridge. That roof line up there, shed, and the one right next to it, flat underneath a door to nowhere. Well, that's a problem, and it's a problem we're asking our architect, Matt Hurff, to solve. Matt, good to see you.
How you been?
All right, how about you?
Good, thanks.
What do you think's going on here? How did we get to this state?
Well, with these old houses, I mean, the original house is built with a pretty cohesive idea, and then what happens is over time, families grow, needs change, and they start adding things on the back. Maybe you need a kitchen, or you want your bedroom to be a little bit bigger, or you want a porch, and there's no real thought given to it. They just answer their immediate need at the time, and as time goes by, you accumulate these carbuncles on the back of the house.
Carbuncles indeed. So that's why we've got what we've got. And you know, the other thing we've heard from the homeowners is that all these little sort of additions have pushed their main living space kind of forward in relation to the backyard here. They've got to go through the carbuncle to get here, and they love getting here. I mean, they use it in the summer on a bright sunny day like this. They even use it in the winter when that ice rink goes up. So your charge is to get them back here, but also to clean up this mess. Walk us through it.
So the easiest thing to do at the end of the day was just to take all this stuff off. So what we're doing is removing all of this and putting on a cohesive single addition, which has all of their living space pushed onto the backyard so they can enjoy their yard.
So original house, gambrel roof, that's it right there. This is all new. What have you given us? What are the parts and pieces?
So we give it a full first floor with a lot of glass on it, with a living room and a dining room, and then a second floor master suite, which stretches all the way across the back of the house.
And what are the windows?
These are bay windows, so it comes out and then it recesses back to a French door, and then it comes back out again.
And off to the right here, your handiwork, or is that something that's existing?
This is just an existing side porch.
Right. And so there are, you know, there's some nice little flourishes here, right? I mean, you've got the roof and you've got some ornamentation right there. So, and these lines right here, I presume, represent a metal roof?
Yes, it's standing seam metal roof.
Gotcha. When you see all that glass, you realize that that's what these guys want. They want to be back into this space as much as they possibly can, even when they're not in it, when they're inside.
The most important room in the house isn't in the house.
Right, for these guys. All right, terrific. Well, it's a beautiful drawing,
Thank you.
and we appreciate the help, so we will get to work building it.
Great.
Thanks. Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.